Are we live? Let's see. Are we live? I'm trying to build a SaaS. This start tool like target 100 likes. We have this pop-out chat. Copy this. Come here. Properties. Okay. I have this here. Alright. So yes, we are live. Just a sec. Yes. Okay. Alright. MX in off. Hi. Hello MX in off. Welcome to the stream. How are you? So hello everyone and welcome back to the stream. If you're new to my stream, my name is Abhishek Sharma and I'm trying to build a SaaS and this is day 21 of that. So if you enjoyed the stream, do consider subscribing to this channel and drop a like. So let's get started. Now. I hope I'm audible. Do let me know. Freak34, what's up? Hello Freaks34. All good brother, how are you? Satya, hello. Great to you live. Where you will deploy it? I'll deploy it on DigitalOcean, like backend will deploy it on DigitalOcean and frontend on Vercel. Ayan Khan, hello Ayan Khan, welcome back to the stream brother, how are you? So we have this. First, I have to start my Docker engine. Docker. Ronit, hello Ronit. Okay, Docker engine is loading. Delete this, not needed now. Hold on. Okay. So Docker engine has started, and then we have CMD open. Max and off. Any website to buy domain at low price? I usually go for GoDaddy, Hostinger or Namecheap. Ayn Khan, personal brave. ऐसा मतलब उसमें सिर्फ मेरी ईमेल से लॉग्ड इन आई थिंक सो या Docker PS Freaks34. What do you think of Postman clone as a project with AI integration? It's a good project. It's actually a good project. Docker PS -a, then Docker start Redis server. Done. Redis has started. Start the backend. cd backend npm run dev. Paras, hello Paras, welcome to the stream. Bhaiya, what's your reaction on the Oracle layoff news? Expected. That's why I left my job before they removed me. I didn't know, just kidding. Actually, it was expected because like all these AI, it's actually they're blaming AI. But the thing is, during lockdown, I think they overhired. During lockdown, they overhired people, and now they are realizing they don't need a bunch of people. So now they are firing people and they are blaming it on AI. So yeah, Aditya, who is your favorite coding creator or idol? Aditya, my favorite coding creator, I like Bridgemind. I like his streams. I like Bridgemind. Then just a sec, I'll open my YouTube, and if I see like it should show the regular videos that I watch. Just a sec. I like Chai or Code. I like to learn from here. Then I like, who else? I like Harkirat. I like Harkirat's videos. It's very informative. I like Mahesh. I watch his lives. Mahesh. Who else? And Bridgemind is my favorite. and I watched this Otodo, and actually one of my favorite like he builds SaaS and startups. His name is Edmund Yong. I love this guy's videos. This guy, like he actually gives, he's very inspiring. He builds everything. He's a solo developer. He builds SaaS on his own. I like this guy's content. Who else? Yeah, so these are pretty much it. I usually go for videos where they show how to build startups, how to build SaaS. So yeah, that's the thing. Okay, so we have this mxin off. Which language you know? I know JavaScript properly. I have worked with Python when I was learning Django. Then in my job, I was working as a Spring Boot developer. So I know Java a bit. Lokesh late. Yes, Lokesh. Today I started my stream a bit late because I got late while having my dinner. That's why. Shwetank, क्या बना रहे भाई? Shwetank, we are building a B2B SaaS, appointment booking SaaS. So now we have to go to CD backend, and then we have npm run worker dev. Then I have CD frontend npm run dev. Ayan Khan, they are customizing that leaked Claude code. Yeah, like I saw people are working on it. They are trying to see what's inside the code base and everything. लोकेश क्या था डिनर में? आज तो मैं आलू आलू भुजिया और पूड़ी खाया. श्वेतांक, क्या क्या सीखना होगा इसको बनाने के लिए? ज़्यादा नहीं, मंच स्टैक सीख जाओ, काफ़ी है. And if your goal is to build your own SaaS, then just build one good project like a to-do application just to understand the flow of building an app, full stack application. Then you can start building your own SaaS. कोलोस, हेलो कोलोस, वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम. इसको बिल्ड करके सेल भी कर सकते हैं क्या? हाँ, बिल्ड करके, like it's my own SaaS that I'm trying to build, and my goal is to monetize it and generate revenue from the SaaS as well. So yeah. Bittu. Hello Bittu, welcome to the stream. Hey, today I got an assignment in front-end role. It's a finance dashboard, how I built with React. I tried but failed. Like finance dashboard, right? So first, for components, go with CN, and then you can go for charts, because finance dashboard, then you have to show charts, right? So you can go with React charts, in my opinion. mxin off. Right now, what you prefer more, Java, C++, or Python for LLM training? Python. Go with Python for LLM training. Lokesh, एक full stack project idea दे दो for beginners like me. You can build a blog application first, full stack blog application with a dashboard. So we have this. Just a sec. I'll start my application. Okay, so we have this login. Test user2 @gmail.com. Test user2. We got all of these things. Dashboard, organization, select one, services, availability, bookings, integration, and billing. So first we have to make this billing plan a bit better. So okay, just a sec. Rakta Bhattacharya, hello Rakta, welcome to the stream. Hello, I am string to learn DSA with patterns. The first pattern is 2 pointers. So yeah, not solving random problem with proper structure. We'll try to solve 1 or 2 problems. Okay, that's nice. Yeah, try to solve 1 or 2 problems every single day. The Compton Clover. Can you show how much it is built? Yep. Like from the dashboard part, we have built the organization part where a user can create the organization. Then services, availability, bookings, integrations, like user can need to integrate their Google Calendar. Then billings part, where a user can get the billing and everything. So we have this now, and just a sec. So this we have to make status active. Okay. Rakta Bhattacharya, enough of lead code so that I don't suck. So yeah, okay, nice. Shwetank, own SaaS website meaning bhaiya, it's a software as a service where I'm trying to build a software and people will pay for using the software. Ayan Khan, Code Force is also amazing. Acha, nice, Ayan. Actually, I don't use Code Forces much. Lokesh, software as a service, SaaS means okay. So backend, close backend, front end, components and pages app, then we have dashboard, then we have billing page. This is it, billing. So currently current plan, pro plan status active, status this active. Hold on, if this is it, inactive. Okay, so here we can do conditional rendering. If org dot subscription status is equal to active, and then we'll show is equal to active. Hold on, not this, just a sec. If this is active, we'll show this, or else we'll show, if it is active we'll show and. Okay, just go with and only. Active will show this, and this has to be a badge. This has to be a badge. Make it a badge. Badge, and add this badge here as well. Let's see how a badge looks. Hold on, it looks, just a sec, it looks like status active, and not the status part. Status, not the status part. I have to make it for this. Just a sec. We have this status, add the status part here, and this will be inside a badge. Add this badge, add this here, and hold on. Okay, so basically come like this here. This entire thing will be a P. Yep, yeah, status active, and it should be class variant, any variant here, variant, any variant here, no. Okay, so we can just give it a class name bg green 500, bg green 500, status active. Okay, and this is a pro plan. Hold on, Iron Khan, code force is also amazing. Okay, integration spelling wrong. Integration spelling wrong. Where integrations. Okay, yeah, here integrations. Just a second. Integration page.tsx, and here we have this integrations. We have this integrations billing. Status is active, and now we'll do this. If status is inactive, and this can be something like bg red 500, not 500, orange. Make it orange 500. Organization this, billing inactive. Okay, one billing inactive. Organization, for one organization one billing. Okay, then we have this billing, and for this organization one billing. Okay, hold on, this is inactive, and if it is cancelled, and if for some reason it is cancelled, make it bg red 500. That is fine. And this button, it needs some padding, and here it will have on y4. Where is it? my my4 upgrade to pro plan. Okay, just a sec. If I go here, if I come, this we are getting this, and this pro we have here. Where is it? Billing status. Just a sec. If free, we are getting this, and this pro current plan. Where is my current plan? Current plan. Yeah, this can be a span. Make this a span here. Bring it inside the span. प्रवेश हेलो ब्रो आपका SaaS प्रोजेक्ट हो गया ऑलमोस्ट MVP इज डन Colos 2403 hello Colos welcome to the stream how will you approach for selling cold calling and I'll post on X and Reddit and also I go for cold calling Shwetank bhaiya nowadays Claude can create anything in just a minute why to create my own I'm disappointed as I'm too learning backend and now I can do everything those who don't anything can also build see Shwetank the thing is yeah Claude Code can build good MVPs I agree but think of it like this you know driving right you know how to drive a car but if you can get a driver then why will you drive a car if your driver is not able to drive the car then you will use your brain and try to drive the car right so that's how I see this entire vibe coding or entire this AI agents wala thing for writing the code I see it like this for example if I have a driver who can drive the car and I know he can drive I'm watching the road he's driving the car right if the driver is not able to drive the car then I take the steering wheel in my hand that's how I approach it MX in off being a beginner how to solve problems in lead code first understand the topic for example if you are into arrays or if you are doing two-pointer approach first understand what is two-pointer approach what is the algorithm about then try to implement it and then solve questions Tap Fusion sorry भाई late हो गया coaching गया था oh Tap Fusion welcome back to the stream brother don't be sorry it's fine Pravesh bro can you give me your GitHub account like my GitHub profile is in the description of the stream Flanking Gaming hi bro nice to meet you again hello Flanking Gaming welcome to the stream Tap Fusion sorry bhai late ho gaya okay no issues Lokesh link in bio yes link in bio commands okay Lokesh exclamation commands okay Viresh hello Viresh welcome to the stream do you using any UI libraries yes I'm using ShatCN for UI library okay Pravesh Ayan Khan you can also add framer to that vibe which framer like framer motion you are talking about in the landing page maybe we'll use it Shwetank okay I answered this Pravesh what are you using for the SaaS project I'm using Stack Postgres Express React Next.js Node Tap Fusion okay Skand Prasad hello Skand welcome to the stream sir I am studying for second year CSE I and other friends are planning to start a SaaS startup. Can I get some suggestions regarding this? Like vibe coding the project is good investment. See, if you know basics of programming, if you have built like previously while learning, if you have built 2 or 3 good level projects without using AI, then yes, you can use vibe coding tools. Like as I said, the example that I gave, you know, like it's like hiring a driver who will drive your car, but you have to keep the eyes on your road. And if the driver is not able to drive the car, then you have to take the steering wheel in your hand. That's the thing. Bhaiya, what's your favorite IPL team? Right now I don't watch IPL too much. Like when I used to watch, my favorite team was CSK. Ayan Khan, amazing answer. Cloud Code can make our job much easier. Use it for your own benefit, like America uses India. True. Ayan Khan, true. Shez Rao, hello Shez Rao, welcome to the stream. If you keep interacting, will break your flow. Actually, I like to interact, then work a bit. I like this kind of flow. Okay, Sunil, hello bro. Which is best site to learn DAX? What is DAX? Pravesh, आप UI के लिए क्या use कर रहे हो? ShatCN. But yeah, I have no idea of PostgreSQL. Would I be able to understand? Before you get into PostgreSQL, understand SQL. But yeah, I am preparing for Tap Fusion college entrance exam for BTech CSE program. But यही लगता है कि कहीं AI से कुछ इनकम बना लूँ क्योंकि सब लोग AI से डर रहे हैं. हाँ, AI को अपने एडवांटेज के लिए यूज़ करो. That's what I'm saying. AI बस एक टूल है that can make your job really easy. and it can make your productivity level really fast. So that's how I see AI. Okay, so now we got this pro, whatever plan this is, we can make it class name font bold, status active. Okay, now if I go to this and go here, this is status current plan, free plan. Okay, status inactive, upgrade to this. Okay, fine, we have this here. And bookings available. Okay, no services for this. Services, just a sec. This here. This is it. Just a sec. Yes, booking a dashboard, bookings page. We have this. This. If bookings dot length is this, copy this, and if I go to my services part, services, where is my services? Booking services page. Okay, we have this. Just a sec. We have this here. Okay. Attorney, what's up? Hello Attorney, welcome back to the stream brother. How are you? टैप फ्यूजन, अभी तो आईटी मार्केट में बहुत कंपटीशन है, तो क्या आइडिया सही रहेगा सबके लिए, लाइक वो खुद का कुछ एप्स या गेम्स बनाने, क्योंकि जॉब्स तो देखो आपको एक माइंडसेट चूज करना पड़ेगा, लाइक इफ़ यू रियली इफ़ यू वांट टू गो फॉर जॉब, then you should start preparing for job, like prepare yourself, learn skills properly and give your time, build projects. But if your goal is to build something of your own, then you have to be, there's a different approach, right? So right now my goal is to build my own SaaS, build my own startup, so my approach is different. Pravesh, Chatchain is great for UI, you can find great icons, font buttons. I agree Pravesh. Majid Alam, hello Majid Alam, welcome to the stream. भाई आज के टाइम पे क्या ऐप डेवलपर और वेबसाइट डेवलपर का फ्यूचर है? एक ऐप डेवलपर कितना अर्निंग कर सकता है 1 मंथ में? अगर चाहे तो प्लीज़ रिप्लाई करो. माजिद आलम, द थिंग इज़, सी इफ जैसा मैंने कहा, देर आर टू अप्रोचेज. इफ़ यू आर गोइंग फॉर जॉब मार्केट और इफ़ यू आर ट्राइंग टू बिल्ड समथिंग ऑफ योर ओन. जॉब मार्केट, इफ़ यू आर गोइंग फॉर जॉब मार्केट, देन जॉब मार्केट ऊपर नीचे होता रहता है, ठीक है. बट इफ़ यू आर गोइंग फॉर बिल्डिंग समथिंग ऑफ योर ओन, देन स्काई इज़ द लिमिट इन माई ओपिनियन. JS, hello bro, hello JS, welcome to the stream. Bhai Sahab, what happened Majid Alam? Okay, sir, is DevOps a good domain to build my career? Is there any demand in India as slightly high salary pay job? See, DevOps is a very good field, but as fresher, because DevOps as fresher you can understand the theoretical parts, but to get hands-on experience you have to build on projects. Okay. Pravesh, AI can only replace entry level developers if you have strong foundation. I agree. टैप फ्यूजन भाई, जैसे कॉलेज किसी का 5 या 6 LPA का प्लेसमेंट कितना है, तो क्या पूरी ज़िंदगी सेक्स या प्ले रहता है? नो, लाइक एक्सपीरियंस के साथ आपका ऑब्वियसली सैलरी इंक्रीज होता है. अगर आप स्विच मारोगे तो सैलरी तो इंक्रीज होता ही है भैया. अपार्ट फ्रॉम वेब डेवलपमेंट, व्हाट वन मोर स्किल आई शुड लर्न एज अ फ्रेशर? अपार्ट फ्रॉम वेब डेवलपमेंट, go for, try to work on your communication skill as well. Ayan Khan, go for its web development if you care a lot about money. Okay, nice Ayan. Attorney, wait karo guys, let Abhishek build his SaaS, then he will hire us all. Nice attorney, like you believe in me too much. Thanks man. BBX anime. भैया मेरे पास 2 ऑप्शन है, एक प्राइवेट कॉलेज सस्ता है, एक महंगा जिसको जाओ तो कंफ्यूज में हूँ, चाहता मम्मी पापा को प्रेशर लेना पड़ा पैसे का. सी देखो, अगर तुम Tier 3 कॉलेज में जा रहे हो दैट इज़ फाइन, बट वहाँ पे एक ही चीज़ है कि कंपनी ज़्यादा आएंगी नहीं. बट अगर तुम्हारा गोल है कि यू हैव टू वर्क ऑन योर स्किल्स, फिर भी तुम प्लेसमेंट निकाल सकते हो Tier 3 कॉलेज से. GS भाई, बहुत दिनों बाद स्ट्रीम पे आया हूँ, अपनी ऐप का ओवरव्यू दे दो. श्योर. We have built the organization part where we can create the organization. We have created the services part where create edit the services, delete the services. Then we have created the availability slots where we can manage the availability. And then bookings, then integration where we can integrate the Google Calendar. Then we have billings part. So for example, if we can upgrade to pro plan, all of these are working now. And then we have also with the customer side of the application where someone can actually book. टैप फ्यूजन भाई, जिसका कॉलेज से 6 LPA हो प्लेसमेंट, तो क्या वो 50 LPA तक जा सकता है? हाँ जा सकता है, बट आपके स्किल के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है। माजिद आलम भाई, मैं ऐप डेवलपर बनना चाहता हूँ, क्या करना होगा? मेरा 12 है अभी। ऐप डेवलपर बनना है, मैं तो बोलूँगा रिएक्ट नेटिव में घुस जाओ या फ्लटर में घुस जाओ अभी से। आयन खान, iOS डेवलपमेंट, ओके। रिकी 2004, hello Ricky, welcome to the stream. Brother, your LinkedIn profile. I don't use LinkedIn, Ricky. शतांक भैया, लीड कोड क्लोन बना दो तो रेज्यूमे में मेजर प्रोजेक्ट चलेगा, इंटरव्यू में इंप्रेशन बनाने के। हाँ या बना सकते हो। टैप फ्यूजन भाई, अभी तो वो डायलॉग याद आता है, इंजीनियरिंग चुनना डेथ नहीं। Learning HTML CSS is not enough for becoming web developer. You should learn React, Node.js, PostgreSQL. I agree, yes. Like just HTML CSS JavaScript is not enough. You have to learn more. BBX anime भैया tier 2 भी है पर वो महंगा है। पापा उसमें करा रहे पर मेरा मन नहीं है। ठीक है, tier 2 में नहीं जाना कोई बात नहीं, tier 3 में जाओ, बट अपना tier 3 में एक चीज याद रखना, दैट यू हैव टू वर्क ऑन योर स्किल। कंपनी आपके पास नहीं है कि आपको कंपनी के पास जाना पड़ेगा, दैट्स द ओनली डिफरेंस। दीपांशु सारे, हेलो दीपांशु, वेलकम बैक टू द स्ट्रीम, हाउ आर यू? भैया को लिंक्डइन से पर्सनल दुश्मनी हो गई। हाँ, आई डोंट लाइक लिंक्डइन। भैया क्या सच है कि अगर मुझे कोई बढ़िया ऐप या गेम बनाना है तो यूट्यूब से सीख सक? हाँ मैंने तो आधा चीज़ यूट्यूब से सीखा है भैया। अर्ली 2000s और 2020 टाइम बहुत अच्छा रिक्रूटमेंट था, सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर। हाँ आई एग्री। प्रज्ञान शर्मा, हेलो प्रज्ञान, वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम। भैया मेरा डिप्लोमा फाइनल ईयर है, कुछ सजेशन दे दो फ्यूचर के लिए। डिप्लोमा फाइनल ईयर है, आप किस चीज़ में डिप्लोमा कर रहे हो? विशु भाई, तुम tier 2 में गए थे या tier 3? आई एम फ्रॉम tier 2 कॉलेज, सिक्किम मणिपाल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी। प्रवेश, वाई ब्रो, आप लिंक्डइन क्यों ही करते हो? हाँ मैं लिंक्डइन नहीं यूज़ करता हूँ, क्योंकि लिंक्डइन में क्या है ना कि लाइक आई डोंट लाइक लोग वहाँ पे कुछ भी पोस्ट करते हैं कि टुडे आई वोक अप एट 5 AM, आई लर्न लीडरशिप। मतलब कुछ भी लिखते हैं वहाँ पे। भैया इट्स दीपांशु आर से, ओके दीपांशु, गॉट इट। Ricky, brother, I have created too many Flutter projects, but in Chandigarh they give more assignment, and I have cleared it, but they were offering me unpaid internship. See, like if it's a new company, they will offer an unpaid internship because they don't have funds. But you can use, if you're not doing anything, you can go for that. 2020 Attorney X 2020 में SaaS रिक्रूटमेंट करके अब ले ऑफ कर। हाँ आई एग्री अटर्नी, आई एग्री। भैया आपका फी कितना लगा था tier 2 में? अराउंड 12 लाख लग गए थे पूरा बीटेक करने में। सोशल बटरफ्लाई, हेलो ब्रो, हेलो सोशल बटरफ्लाई, वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम। रिकी, चंडीगढ़ इज द वर्स्ट प्लेस इफ यू आर नॉट हैविंग द रेफरेंस फॉर जॉब, ओके गॉट इट। प्रज्ञान शर्मा, हेलो प्रज्ञान, वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम। सीएससी से डिप्लोमा किया है पर कोडिंग उतना नहीं आता, तो कोडिंग में ध्यान दो, बिकॉज सीएससी का फंडामेंटल्स कोडिंग है। भाई नेटवर्क कैसे बनाए? नेटवर्क बनाने के लिए आप पहले प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाओ, लाइक देखो नेटवर्किंग में क्या है ना, लिंक्डइन तो आधे से ज़्यादा लोग उधर टाइम पास के लिए बैठे हैं, ठीक है। अगर आपको नेटवर्क बनाना है तो स्टार्ट यूजिंग ट्विटर या एक्स, लाइक ट्विटर यूज़ करो। प्रवेश भाई आपका कितना पैकेज लगा था? मेरा तो लाइक टैक्स लैब के अराउंड लगा था, मैं इतना ही बोल सकता हूँ, टैक्स लैब। बिशु भाई तुम्हारा वो एमएनसी वाले जॉब में भी एआई यूज़ करते था फॉर वर्क, हाउ इज इट वर्किंग इन एमएनसी? सी इन एमएनसी वर्किंग culture is shit, actually shit, because the thing is for a 5-minute job they will extend it to 1 month, then there is no work life balance. I to left because of I needed work life balance, because I wanted to do something of my own, right? So I left the job because I needed work life balance. So yeah. Ricky, brother, I'm second time on your stream. Are you a student or working? Ricky, welcome to the stream. I used to work. I had a job. I left my job. I used to work in an MNC in a software based in a service based company. I left my job. Now my goal is to build my own SaaS and build my own startup. भाई आपने अब तक कितनी जॉब करी है, कितने एलपीए की? मैंने दो इंटर्नशिप की है, एक था अनपेड, एक था पेड. और मैंने एक जॉब की, मैंने जॉब एज अ स्प्रिंग बूट डेवलपर की है 1 साल के लिए. एंड मैं एग्जैक्ट अमाउंट तो नहीं बता पाऊंगा, ज़्यादा नहीं था, टैक्स स्लैब के अराउंड था. Hello bro, it's me entity. This is my account for live stream. I'm currently live streaming. Can you check once? Oh nice entity. Just a sec. I'll check. What is your channel name? Ashdev3. Hold on. Ashdev3. This one entity? Okay, this one. Nice. I'll be right back. This one entity, this is your channel. Hello entity. All the best. Okay. Nice. टैप फ्यूजन भाई इतना मेंबर्स हो गए हैं अब तो रोज चिकन बन रहा होगा घर पे. शतांक TSC 3.9 पे मिला तो लेना चाहिए क्या? अगर आपके हाथ में कोई भी जॉब नहीं है और कुछ जॉब मिले तो ले लो चुपचाप. सोशल बटरफ्लाई. ट्विटर में नेटवर्क कैसे बनाना है? ट्विटर में वॉट एवर यू वर्किंग ऑन पोस्ट अबाउट इट, देन train the algorithm to so that you only see content of people who are like you, who are trying to build something. Dolan Trump. Hello Dolan Trump, welcome to the stream. What do you think about AI? AI is a amazing tool. It's a tool. It's like a driver. You know how to drive, but you still have a driver who can drive the car for you. But you have to keep the road on the road so that you know the driver is driving well. And if driver cannot drive, then you take the steering wheel in your hand. That's the best example I can give for AI. Ayan Khan, MNC has office for yeah. Obviously, Ayan Khan, MNC has office politics and it's so lame. You will actually start hating MNC once you start working in it. दीपांशु भैया आपका प्लेसमेंट के लिए कंपनी खुद से ढूंढी थी या फिर कॉलेज से? खुद से ढूंढी थी. अनीश. हेलो अनीश, वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम. भैया आई एम डन विद 3 year नाउ. आई एम डन विद HTML, JavaScript, React, Tailwind, CSS, Node.js, Express, MongoDB and SQL. Tell me, can I get a job? Tell me what more requirements to get better. To get a job, you have to build projects and you have to deploy them. So learn about DevOps as well. Then learn Redis because Redis is very important. Then also go for learn NoSQL, SQL databases like Postgres, Prisma for Prisma for ORM. Then learn Zod. Then learn rate limiting. All these things. Bishul, hello Bishul, welcome to the stream. How are you paying bills without job these days? I know you do consulting, etc. From that, you are able to sustain. Yeah, see, the thing is, whatever I'm learning, whatever I'm earning, I'm contributing it to my family. I give my whatever I earn, I give it back to my parents, and that's why that's how I'm living right now. Ricky, if you were coming to the private uni, then comes only after 1 year gap when you should learn about the basics, coding plus communication plus your body. Don't be afraid of number of students. Can you explain, Ricky? Okay, शुरू उधर से होता है, मैंने भी किया है, कर लो. Okay. Ashdev, पीछे जाकर या क्या Ashdev? I think I came to the stream. Ashdev, एक second. You are in the chat, so just a sec. I can. Hold on. भाई मैंने गलत बंदे के स्ट्रीम में लिख दिया क्या? हेलो दिस अभिषेक शर्मा, ऑल द बेस्ट. जस्ट अ सेक. Ashdev कहाँ गया? Ashdev. Hold on. Where is it? Hold on. Where is it? कहाँ गया? Ashdev. Just a sec. Go to channel. Ashdev. Okay. Yeah, I came to your stream only. Fine. टैक्स स्लैब क्या होता है? टैक्स स्लैब मतलब इतना अमाउंट आपका सैलरी होना चाहिए जब गवर्नमेंट आपसे टैक्स ले. बस मैं इतना ही बोलूंगा. Bro, which company you worked in and what role? I cannot name the company because I left my job 2 months back, and so I cannot name the company because I had this NDA and all those things. I will not name the company, and my job role was Spring Boot developer. Brother, I would like Ricky. Brother, I would like to share my mobile application. From where I can share you that. I would like to share video. You can join my Discord server. You can drop the link there. Social butterfly. How to do live stream without showing face? Only one PHN. Then just do one thing. Download OBS, and if you don't want to show your face, just video capture को disable कर दो. You will not show your face. That's it. बेसिक टू एडवांस कोडिंग के लिए रोड मैप बता दो. रिसेंटली मैंने पाइथन विद जैंगो बेस्ड एक टूर एंड ट्रैवल एक वेबसाइट बनाई, ऐसा प्रोजेक्ट. फ्यूचर सजेशन. बेसिक एडवांस एडवांस के लिए यू हैव टू बी क्रिएटिव. एडवांस प्रोजेक्ट के लिए. पर लव लाइफ का चांस है कॉलेज स्कूल में तो मिली. सी लव लाइफ भाई पॉकेट में पैसे रहेंगे ना, लव लाइफ क्या बहुत अच्छा लाइफ बन जाएगा. ये भी एक पहला कंपनी खुद से कैसे मिलता है अगर पैकेज ना लगे तो. प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाओ, इंटर्नशिप करो. इंटर्नशिप में अगर आपको इफ़ यू आर एबल टू वर्क प्रॉपरली मे बी दे विल गिव यू जॉब फ्रॉम इंटर्नशिप ओनली, और एल्स यूज दैट इंटर्नशिप का नॉलेज. 6 months internship minimum करो, then you can actually show that you have worked for 6 months as an intern. Then just build projects, deploy the projects and approach companies. Build a strong resume. Dolan Trump, brother, tell us your daily routine. I mean, if you want to start from scratch again 2026, how about your routine? Which tech, then how? Okay, my daily routine is pretty simple. I wake up around 9 a.m. Then I have I don't have breakfast. After 9 a.m. I take a shower, I start working. Then I take lunch, I go to gym, then I come back from gym, I have my dinner, and then I work again. Pravesh, what is the income of your YouTube? Pravesh, never ask a man how much he earns. That's if you want a peaceful life, never ever reveal your income. That's it. That's all I can say. अनीश शर्मा, भैया लगता है आप अब लिस्ट बनानी पड़ेगी. लगता 1% ही सीखा वेब डेव में. अच्छा. Attorney, just get into any job for now and then keep switching. Exactly, attorney. Exactly. Lokesh, love yourself first. True. Okay, now अब थोड़ा काम कर लेते हैं. Chat काफ़ी पढ़ लिया. Hold on. So this is done. For now, I think this is fine. But what else do we need? So what we have features implemented. Hold on, I'll just make features implemented till now in my SaaS. Fine. So what are the features that we have implemented? Number 1, authentication is done. Number 2, organization is done. Number 3, services is done. Number 4, availability is done. Number 4, booking mechanism is done. Booking is also done. Then Google integration, we have implemented Google Calendar integration, and then we have implemented payment gateway and subscription gateway. Fine. What else can we think of? और क्या होता है? Booking. Okay, just one more thing is that, hold on, if we go here in organization, localhost, this, if we come here and this, fine, we are doing this, okay, this is happening. Abhi time Sheikh Sharma @gmail.com, this is happening. But once, see, what is happening right now is the payment is going to my Razorpay, right? And then from my Razorpay I need to give that payment after getting 0.8% of that. I have to give that to the business, right? So we have to integrate that part where the business will actually integrate their Razorpay here. Hold on, or bank details. I have to move that part. Okay, booking, payments, bookings, payments. I have to create a part of payment where we track the payment. What is happening here? So we have to track payment where once a user makes the booking, payment is received. Then we have to show in the payment part that this user, this is the username, this is the service he booked, this is the organization, and this much amount he paid. Okay, so we have to make that mechanism now. Okay. Dipanshu, bhaiya, I don't know you know that or not, but you are providing free mentorship on live, which other people by taking thousands. You are the real goat, bhaiya. Thank you, Dipanshu. Thanks a lot, man. I'm just sharing whatever I know, whatever little knowledge that I have. I'm just sharing it with people. Lokesh, learn to say no. You will live a better life. Okay. Dipanshu, hi, bhai. Okay. Okay, hi, bro. Okay. All good. Dinner done. Okay. I mean, if you want to start from scratch again, how to? About you, if I want to scratch, if I want to learn, like if I start from scratch again, first thing is that I'll pick one programming language directly. This time I'll go with JavaScript. I'll go into web development again, and then I'll start building projects because my goal will be to build something of my own. Yeah. Dipanshu. Yes, my routine is watching Bhaiya's live after dinner daily. Oh, thank you, Dipanshu. God of Codes. Okay. Tushar Kumar, bro, my chat you skipped. Please read. What was the chat, Tushar? Just a sec. Bro, already know full stack कॉलेज से प्लेसमेंट नहीं हुई डीएसए करूँ या ब्लॉकचेन आई एम इंटरेस्टेड इन ब्लॉकचेन see I don't have much idea about blockchain because I never researched about it, never learned blockchain, so I don't have idea about blockchain. But I like if you are doing DSA, that is completely fine. Continue doing DSA, and if you are into blockchain, then maybe you should research like what is the job market. If you are going for job, then what is the job market in the blockchain sector. Gaurav, simply rule for life. Do whatever you want. Don't try to make others happy for your own happiness. I agree. Okay, Ayan Khan. Don't say lot of no's or you will get friend zoned like Lokesh. Paras. But yeah, I'm currently in my second sem of tier 3 college. I'm done with HTML, CSS, and JS. Make some projects like Watcher apps and currently converts user using free APIs. Oh, that's nice, Paras. Lokesh, I also broke my left hand today while driving go karting. Bro, you broke your left hand like plaster. You got a plaster. Pravesh, bye. I am learning HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and I want to work in front end. What will you suggest me? After HTML, CSS, JavaScript, go with learn React.js, Dolan Trump. Do you ever felt stuck, lost while learning? Yes, बहुत बार, lot of time. Okay, so we have this here. So now we have to integrate this just okay. So what should be the flow? The flow is what should be the flow? So basically this is my user. This is my user. User will book. This is my booking. This is the booking page. This is the booking page. User will book a session, book from here, right? Then user will pay, make payment, then okay, hold on. So then my razor, okay, then SaaS will receive the payment from the customer, okay. SaaS will receive the payment to the customer, then SaaS will cut the platform fee or zero platform fee depending on the plan, depending on the plan of the business, and depending on the plan of the business, and SaaS will give this payment to the businesses bank account. So this is the flow. Basically, user will book, make the payment, right? Then SaaS, this payment will go to my SaaS here, like my SaaS Razorpay account. This payment will be received, and we have to track the customer name. Here we have to track the customer name, amount he paid, he or she paid, then for which organization it paid, then which service it paid, then date of payment slash booking. So this information, and using this information, so from here what we can get, from this we can get the organization, then from this organization we'll get the user, which user has created this organization. Okay, so now we have this part, add your bank account. Okay, अटर्नी, आज तो क्रेजी चैट रेट है. आई एग्री, लाइक काफ़ी चैट आ रहे हैं. एंड लाइक आज टुडे वी आर इन द प्लानिंग मोड. Basically what I'm trying here is, once I receive the payment, once a user books the payment, the payment will go to my SaaS, right? Then my SaaS has to give that payment to the user's bank account, like the business's bank account. For example, this is the user. Then here the user will attach its bank account details, right? And then directly initially it will be an offline process, like I have to make the transaction to the user's bank account, and then the user will receive that payment in their bank account. Okay, Lokesh, no, almost just had small injury. Okay, Lokesh, I hope you get better, man. Lokesh, okay. Pravesh, bro, you are true tutor in life. You are viewing other people work and appreciating it work, guide to people. That's great. Thanks, Pravesh, thanks a lot, man. Attorney, I'm a hacker too. Okay, that's nice. Bhumi, hello Bhumi, welcome to the stream. Trail Tale, okay, Srini Bhumi, hello Srini Bhumi, welcome to the stream. Paras, I want to make an app like where every customer log in with mobile number, and the app calculates the regular customer purchases and the money they gave. Now tell me what things and which I see. Just with mobile number it is difficult to manage the transaction. What you can do is, like if someone is making transaction through UPI, maybe that you can do, I think. Okay, Sunday fix na Q&A stream. Yes Lokesh, Sunday we are doing a Q&A stream. Okay, आफ्टर वॉचिंग यू आई बिलीव कि लीड कोड में बहुत ज़्यादा ग्राइंड करने से अच्छा डेव स्किल सीखना और सीधा काम करना शुरू करो. आज उससे लर्निंग एंड ग्रोथ ज़्यादा अच्छी होगी. व्हाट्स योर ओपिनियन? सी लीड कोड इज, इफ़ यू आर इन college, if you are in college, you are preparing for a job, then lead code you have to do 1 or 2 questions every single day for next 4 years. Do it if you are a fresher, that's completely fine. But if your goal is to build something of your own, then you can directly get into development. यार अच्छे से टेक सीखना है, बहुत हुआ डिप्लोमेटिक पॉलिटिक्स. ओके, Srini Bhumi, Anthropic superpowers is awesome, and it can implement all the codes provides we need to create agent skills and MD file. What your opinion on this? Yeah, I agree. Like as I said, AI, it's like a tool. It's like a driver. It will drive your car, but you have to keep your eyes on the road so that you know that the driver is driving the car carefully. And if the driver cannot drive the car, then you have to take the steering wheel in your hand and then you have to drive. That's how I look at it. Okay. So just a sec. So where was it? Yeah, we have this customer name, amount he or she paid, organization, service, date of payment, right? So this is the flow. What is this flow called? Flow for sending the payment, flow for receiving the payment from the customer after booking and sending the payment to the businesses bank account. So this is the flow that we are going for today. This is the main flow. Fine. Okay. Yeah. And just let's do one thing. Let's make it better so that I can read it in future. Add this. This is my booking page. This is my booking page. Then we have to make this, delete this, delete this, delete this, delete this, and delete this, and here add make payment and book the appointment. Fine. This is what happens here. Then SaaS will receive the payment from the customer. Then SaaS will cut the platform fee depending on the plan of the business and will get the business's bank account. So this is the flow that we are going for. This is my user. This is my user here. And okay, so customer name, just a sec. If I go to my pg admin, okay, pg admin 4, hold on, what is the issue? pg admin, hold on, what is the issue now? Just a sec. Go here, search pg admin 4, open. Yeah, open this. Okay, bro, I made a to-do list web app using HTML and JavaScript, electricity web app using Node.js and Enterprise college website using HTML and Java. I can get front-end job. I'm feeling low. See, just front-end job, you have to be very good. There's a YouTube channel called Mannu Arora YouTube channel. You can go to this YouTube channel. Like, that channel is very good for front-end developers because I follow that channel. You can go to Mannu Arora, this YouTube channel. This is because I learned Tailwind. There's this playlist, a Tailwind playlist I learned from here, and this channel is very good for front-end developers. So if you want to get into front-end development, you can follow this channel. Okay. SaaS Ashmita Moharana. Great example. Driver is AI. Yeah, thanks Ashmita. ओके ब्रो, मेरा एक क्वेश्चन है, सबको क्या लगता है कर दूँ? Pravesh, AI can help you learn programming and concepts in depth, and it can help you improve your skills. So use AI for program. Yes, I agree, Pravesh. I agree. Uh, Srini Bhumi, I'm in IT sector for almost 15 years, and the expectations now, even the junior resources, they need to have good design-driven approach. Yep, I agree, Bhumi. Okay, okay, fine. So this is the flow that we are going for: user, booking page, appoint. Okay, so what we need here is billing. Then here we need to add a section of add your bank account details, enter bank account details. Okay, so here we have shared cn. Just a sec, we have this page, close this front end billing part. Where is my billing part? Not in billing, maybe we should add this in payments part. We should add it in payments part or billings part. We should create a payment part, I think. Okay, fine. So here we have dashboard, create a new folder as payments, billing, on bookings, billing, payments, and here we'll have page.tsx. Fine, rafce. We have this is my payments page. This is my payments page. Fine, this is my payments page here. This is my payments page. Okay. Pravesh, bro, what skills do you have, and how much time it takes to learn to coding? Basically, my skills are pretty simple, nothing extraordinary. Simple web development. I started programming when I was in class 11, and I got into web development in 2020. Okay, so this is my payments page, and here in my components was my component. This is my sidebar, general component sidebar. Here we have this. Now billing. Just before billing I will add one more thing here as name as payments. We have this, then we have path will be slash dashboard slash payments. Then we have icon. And just a second, lucid react. What we need? Lucid react payments part, bank. Yeah, add this payment. Hold on, copy SVG, just a sec. Where is it? Yeah, here, copy SVG, landmark. Okay, landmark. Hold on, where is it? Okay, find this. Okay, fine, understood. Icons, go here, bank, payments, account. Okay, lucid react dev, icons, payments. Payments here. Just a sec. Payment, Bitcoin, not this. Which icon is good? We need payments. What do we need? Okay, then maybe bank. Yeah. Landmark. Okay, let's go with landmark only. We need landmark here. Landmark here. Add this, and here it will be landmark. Fine. If I come here, this page is loading. Organization. This payments. This is my payments part. Okay. Leo Rest. Hello Leo, welcome to the stream. What are the tech stack you know? I know Pernstack, like PostgreSQL, Express, React, Node, MongoDB, Prisma, Mongoose, Next.js, all these tech stack, and like I know a bit of Spring Boot as well, and like I have worked in internship using Django. So yeah. Amitesh Jaina. Hello Amitesh, welcome to the stream. Hey Abhishek, been watching you for a few weeks now. Love the content. Keep up. Thank you Amitesh. Thanks a lot, man. It means a lot. Ayn Khan. Then आप laptop बंद करेगा सोचा के Pravesh, bro, I'm comfortable with HTML and CSS. I want to learn JavaScript and React for front end. But I listen people saying that learning only front end does not give you a job. See, learning only front end, like the job market is not so bright for front end developers, to be very honest, because now AI can do front end jobs really well, right? So maybe you can go for learning full stack development. Yeah. So here we have payments here. So basically, what I want here, I want something like payments. Add your then this will be a slider kind of thing that will open. Then if there is no bank account, we'll say something like add bank details. Add bank details here. This is what we'll get, and in bank details we'll get IFSC code, then account number, fine, get account number as well. Then we'll also get the name of the person whose account is this, IFSC code, account name. If there's a UPI ID, enter your UPI ID as well. UPI ID, maybe. Then card number is not required. Name, UPI ID. Basically, main thing is IFSC code, account number. This is what we need right now. And if there is already a bank detail, we'll just show the bank details. Your bank details here. Show the bank details here. Fine. Like with the IFSC code. We'll show the IFSC code here. We'll show the account number here. Then we'll show the name of the account holder name. All these information, and then there will be edit button. There will be pencil edit, like edit, right? This account is actually going to be related to the user, direct to the user. This account is going to get related to the user. Fine. So here, if I come, just a sec, I should take a screenshot of this page. Okay, I missed it. Okay, fine, no issues, it's in my head. So for the accounts page, bank details page, bank details, hold on, just a sec. कनक चौधरी, हेलो कनक, वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम. हेलो भैया, एक मॉन स्टैक डेवलपर के लिए इंटर्नशिप कैसी होनी चाहिए और कैसी नहीं होनी चाहिए, डिटेल में बताओ. एज अ मॉन स्टैक डेवलपर, इंटर्नशिप तो ऐसी होनी चाहिए कि जहाँ पे यू नो व्हाट यू नीड टू डू, लाइक whoever is guiding you, they tell you directly what you need to do, what is expected from you. They don't keep you hanging. Even if it's a unpaid internship, that is fine. But the goal here is that they tell you exactly. Is my voice audible? Yeah, I'm audible. Okay. This is done. So in bank detail part, what information do we need? In bank detail part, we'll need the IFSC code, need the account number. We'll also need the I'll also need account holder name, fine. Then this is done. IFSC code, account number, account holder name, and each user, like if somebody is a user, each user will have a account, and each user can have one account only. So one user, one account belongs to one. So this will be a 1:1 relationship. One user will have one account number, and one account number will belong to one user. So this is a 1:1 relationship, right? Fine. This is a 1:1 relationship. Just a sec. 1:1 relationship. Fine. This is my bank detail part. Okay. This is done. So what we can do now is, लियो रेस्ट, एक अच्छा यूट्यूब चैनल बताओ जो अच्छा AI/ML सिखाते फ्रॉम स्क्रैच. दैट इज अ वेरी गुड यूट्यूब चैनल. It's one of my favorite YouTube channel because I learned deep learning, machine learning from this channel. It's called Campus X. This is a very good YouTube channel, Campus X. I love this channel, and the resources, the playlist is too good. There's this 100 days of machine, currently practical deep learning from PyTorch. This is what I'm doing. You can go here and learn 100 days of deep learning. Then there's 100 days of machine learning, and for just complete this playlist, you will get really good in machine learning. So you can follow this YouTube channel, Campus X. Amitesh, bro, I've completed a 6 month internship in Django and I'm currently working with Fast API. Do you have any suggestion on what I should focus on next to improve my backend skills? Okay, if you're learning Fast API, that is completely fine. Fast API is a very good framework, and Django, see, Django like is a very stable framework. Instagram uses it, Spotify uses it, so Django is good. Learn all those things like authentication. I know you know authentication because you are working with Fast API and you have worked with Django as well. Django has its own ORM, and if you are then go with it. And what else can learn about third party application like Google OAuth. Learn these things. Then learn about relationship management, like different tables relationship management, and learn about Django. If you are using Django and if you want to get into cron jobs, learn about Django Celery. That's very good. Then understand rate limiting in Django, understand caching in Django or Fast API, whatever tech stack you are using. These are the concepts that you need to learn. Okay, so we have this here. Oh, I know HTML and JavaScript and Python. So can I use Python for backend? Yes, you can learn Python for backend. Python is a very strong language. I will suggest either learn Django or Fast API. We have this. Okay, fine. Now let's go to my driver. This is my driver. This is my code. This is my backend code. This is my backend code. Bro, you know machine learning too? Yes, I know machine learning because it's my personal interest in machine learning and deep learning. Currently I'm learning deep learning and with PyTorch. So this is my backend code. So we know exactly what we need. We need these features where we need a table which is an bank. This table name should be bank. Okay, bank detail table. It should be bank detail table. Fine. Okay, this is it. And okay, so this is my backend code. Where is my schema.prisma? Close it, close it, close it. Backend Prisma schema.prisma. Fine. This is my schema.prisma. Now I want that when that user will have user needs to add bank details, and in bank details we will have the IFSC code, bank account number, IFSC code, bank account number, account holder name, and account holder bank name. We also need the bank name here. Also we need the bank name. We need the bank name. We need the bank name. Then we also need the branch. Bank branch. We also need this bank branch, right? Okay. So developer is Siddharth Dhan good YouTube channel for machine learning. Siddharth Dhan. Actually, I have not checked it out, so I cannot comment on it. Developer. Pravesh, in which year do you complete your graduation? Which degree and from which college? I completed my BTech from Sikkim Manipal Institute of Technology, and I completed in 2023. We have a bank name, and okay. So these are the fields that account holder name, bank account number, bank name, bank branch, bank and account holder name. Have the account holder name. Fine. We'll have just will give the authentication part because it needs to know the this is the I am following. Okay, I am following the following. I am following this. I am following the code structure as this: controller, then route, controller route, service, controller route and service. Okay, and let me give the bank account. This is my. Just a sec, guys. I'll take a. Hold on. Lokesh, Sikkim Management Technology. Finally, Lokesh has removed the and. First, before Lokesh uses Sikkim and Manipal. Nice, Lokesh. अन्वेषा, हेलो अन्वेषा, वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम। भैया मुझे यूआई बनाना, सीएसएस लिखना बहुत बोरिंग लगता है, मुझे भी सेम। इसलिए मैं एआई से बनवा लेता हूँ। कुछ गलत तो नहीं कर रहा? नहीं, गलत नहीं है, बट मैं तो बोलूँगा कि पहले आप कोड को समझ के फिर एग्जीक्यूट करना हमेशा। Pravesh, what do you think about Syrians? They are launching their boot camp that helps you become a good developer. Okay, actually, I did not like, I did not. I know, like, I've seen their videos, but like, I have not checked their course, so I cannot comment on it. Leo, hello Abhishek, hello Leo, welcome to the stream. Just a sec, guys. I'll take a 5 minute break. Hold on, I'll take a 5 minute break. Just a sec. I'll be back. Hello, hello. Hello everyone, I'm back. Thanks guys for waiting. Dipanshu, what? What happened, Dipanshu? Guys, sleep or practice? Okay. Pravesh, hello bro, where are you? Yeah, hello Pravesh. I had to go somewhere for 5 minutes. Now I'm back. Okay. So where is it? Yeah, here. Now if I go my backend, src modules auth controller. This is my auth dot controller dot ts. Auth dot route dot ts, auth dot route dot ts. Then we have here auth dot schema dot ts, auth dot schema dot ts, auth dot service dot ts, auth dot service dot ts. Fine. This is a route service. Number 4, schema for validation. Validation. Okay. We'll miss you, bhaiya, Dipanshu. Okay. Mohammad Akram, bro, please hire me. Actually, Mohammad Akram, right now we are not in the stage where I'm hiring people. If this SaaS grows and we get a revenue and we want to add new future features, then maybe like I start hiring, but not right now. प्रवेश ब्रो फाइनल ईयर के लिए कोई अच्छा प्रोजेक्ट बताओ यूजिंग रिएक्ट एंड नोड जेएस. अच्छा प्रोजेक्ट फॉर फाइनल ईयर. Build a Notion clone with AI capabilities. Create a separate model. Don't mix it inside user organization. ID, user ID, account holder name, account IFSC code, bank name, branch name is verified. False user. Okay. Okay. So we have user ID, one bank per user. Simple for now. Is verified. True. Future proof. Razor PayX. Payouts later. Clean separation. Scalable. Also update user. Okay. Then we need validation schema. This is done. Then service layer. Upsert listing update of the user. Fine. Then controller. Save fetch routes. Okay. Okay. Important reward application advice: don't skip this. Never store wrong raw bank detail blindly in production. At minimum, encrypt account number. Yeah, very good. We have to apply this encryption for account number. Things like crypto or field level encryption. Think ahead. If you're planning Razor Pay payouts, then eventually you won't store full bank details yourself. You store tokens. See validation option usage. You can later validate via API. Autofill bank name. Okay, clean architecture controller. Okay. Design full money flow. This is where yes, implement these. Monty Shanti. Hello, Monty Shanti. Welcome to the stream. Bro, can you just brief that share this SaaS about? It's like an appointment booking SaaS where like user can create organization, they can create services offered by the organization, availability for like appointment. We are managing appointments, right? So we have to work with the availability. Then is the bookings part where we can see the bookings. Then this is the integration where the user has to integrate their Google Calendar. Only then they can generate the link, meeting link. Then we are working on the payments right now, and we have implemented subscription based plan using Razorpay. And this is the customer side of the application where customer can see the service. They can select the time, then they can select a time and they can enter the details. So this is the thing. Now you're in a real SaaS code. Okay. Encrypt bank detail. Use as a authentication encryption. Create encryption util. Okay, fine. Encryption algorithm. ID length. Encryption key. Okay. 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 Encryption key. Fine. So new. Okay. Fine. Then key buffer. This buffer coming from. Okay. Okay. We are creating encryption and then we are building encryption. Update Prisma model. And retail account number encrypted. Okay. Okay. Account number IP. Account number tag. What is this tag? Okay. Set auth tag is verified. Okay. Hold on. Absolute account number. Name. Absolute. Create. Data. And we are getting this data. Encrypted. Okay. Encrypted. Okay. 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 Yeah. Understood. 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 Fine. Then we have Razorpay X payout integration. This is done. Client import Razorpay. Okay, this is done. Create contact plus fund. Create fund account. Contact Razorpay contact create email customer. Okay. Store fund ID and DB later. Important. Razorpay X payout create account number fund ID. Important. Booking again Razorpay payment success. Booking confirmed. Platform takes the cut. Remaining is equal to payout balance. Later payout to bank. Booking payment pending. Payment success. Okay. Platform fee 20%. Add wallet. Okay. We have platform payment success. Model payout. Okay. Delay payout. Road instant. Final architecture. Okay. This is the mic issue. Guys, can you hear me properly? Leo, do you live with your parents? Yes, Leo, I live with my parents. सुजू भैया मुझे कुछ ऐसे प्रोजेक्ट्स बता दो जो पाइथन से बन जाए. सिर्फ 3 से 4 प्रोजेक्ट्स बता दो. पाइथन से काफ़ी सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स बन सकते हैं. लाइक एक GUI एप्लीकेशन बना लो. नेमलेस SQT. Nemesis SQT. Mic issue. Guys, can you hear me? Do let me know. Lokesh, Abhishek, bro, finally, bro, I finally removed and now I will say Siggy Money. Okay, Abhi, bro, today Hyderabad won. Yup, I did not see the match. I did see Abhishek Sharma's batting. Lokesh, no mic issue at all. Good. Okay, let me give you. Let me give you the connected codes. Connected code. Fine. Okay. So now if we come here, service SRC, this modules optional booking. This booking is required. This is my dot controller.ps. My booking dot controller.ps. This is my booking.route.ts. This is my booking.schema. And this is my booking.schema.ts. Booking.schema.ts. Service. Then this is my booking.service.ts. Fine. It's done. Email, Google, not required. Meeting, not required. Organization, not required. Payment. This is my payment controller. And this is my payment dot controller.ts. Payment.controller.ts. Then payment.route. Then this is my payment.route.ts. This is my payment.route.ts. And this is my payment.service. Then this is my payment.service.ts. My payment.service.ts. And this is my payment webhook. Then this is my payment.webhook.ts. Done. This is the remaining part. And service not equal slot queues app.ts. My app.ts. Now give me the full code. Okay. Okay, I say Lamau, Lokesh, Ayan Khan. I don't see Nightbot can be a little strict. Ramesh, bro, how much CSS is needed for becoming a front end engineer? Just understand what are flexbox, what are grids, how to center a div, and that's enough. Uh, okay. अब रिप्लाई भी देना बंद कर देगा वो बी केयरफुल ओके दीपांशु भाई तुम लोग के नेम ग्रीन क्यों दिखा रहे हैं एक्चुअली दीज आर मेंबर्स दे बिकेम मेंबर्स ऑफ माय स्ट्रीम दैट्स व्हाई लाइक देयर नेम्स आर ग्रीन attorney Ayan Khan Lokesh then there's one more hold on Dhruva, he's also a member so these are members of this stream of my channel so that's why their name is green okay. Critical fix in your code. Verify payment server create booking per marks payment success problem. Front end can fake this call. Even with signature flow, it's not okay. Connection rate, encryption key, encryption, fund account system, detail, service, wallet dot payout system. Then we have wallet, then we have payout. Okay, payout and wallet. Fine. Modify your payment flow. Verify payment service. This instant payment. Free. Service. 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 Okay. Payout service. Okay, fine. What's next? This. Move from status. Hold on. I think React is CSS and spend my most time learning CSS. But when I start learning React and Node.js, then I realize JavaScript is more. Yeah, JavaScript is the core. Coding Kalura. How will you market it? I'll market it using cold calling. Then I'll post on X, Reddit. Viraj Abhishek the Savior. Hello Viraj, welcome back to the stream. दीपांशु भैया आप बड़े यूट्यूबर बन जाओगे तो हमको भूलोगे तो नहीं? अरे नहीं भूलेंगे भाई, क्यों भूलेंगे? कभी नहीं भूलूंगा. विराज, अभिषेक भाई, I created basic RAG application as you said. What features I can add in it? Did you use vector database for that? Okay, ground badging. If you want, I can help you out. Splitting commission. Okay, fine. Where is create bank detail part? Bank schema, bank service, bank controller. Okay, then bank route. Okay, then this is my bank. Verify, create resume font account. Create resume font account. Okay. Fine. Let's start with the bank part. Okay, so first is the bank schema. Hold on. Bank schema. Account holder name, number, IFSC code. Okay, extract. Close this. Bank SMC module. Let's add new folder. Add the bank module. Bank module here, right? Then first we'll create bank.schema.ts. Then we'll have import z from zod, then export const create bank detail schema equals z dot object, and here we'll have first we'll have account holder name z dot string, then this will be minimum 2 dot minimum 2 and account holder name is required. Fine, account holder name is required, and first I need the account IFSC code, which is a z dot string dot min 2 1 IFSC code cannot be empty. We have this, then this IFSC code, then account number z dot string, then minimum 1 account number cannot be empty. Fine. Is there any is there how many digit, how many digits are there in bank account number? In India, bank account 9 to 18 digits. Okay, then we cannot, it varies, so we let's not put any max value there. Account holder name, then then bank account number. What are we naming? Account holder name, account number, I have to say. Okay, keep it like this, make it account number like this, account number, account holder name, then bank name Z. Okay, just a sec, this actually has to be above this. Yep. uh, Bank name Z dot string, and this will be minimum of 1. Bank name cannot be empty here. Bank name cannot be empty. This is my FSC code, this is my bank name, this is my account number. Then what are we getting? Bank branch. Then we need the bank branch z dot string dot min 1. Bank branch cannot be empty. Okay, account holder name, hold on, bank branch, account number, account holder name. Okay, then this will be dot strict. Fine. Abhishek Kashyap, hello Abhishek Kashyap, welcome to the stream. Coding, you already validated this SaaS? Yes, I did the market research. If you go to my stream, there's this stream called market research for SaaS. There I did the market research. Viraj, yes, Pinecone I use. Oh, that's nice, Viraj. ब्रो आपके सास आपका सास प्रोडक्ट क्या करता है? अपॉइंटमेंट मैनेज करता है. 21 दिन हो गए, कितना टाइम में बनेगा? एमवीपी बन गया है, एक्चुअली में एमवीपी बन चुका है. नाउ वी आर मेकिंग इट like for production level. And if you complete your SaaS project, will you hire developers for maintaining your SaaS? Yes, once the SaaS actually generates good amount of revenue, then maybe I hire developers. Rudra Naik, hello Rudra, welcome to the stream. Which type of product are you building, bro? I'm building a B2B appointment booking SaaS. प्रवेश भाई लवेबल से फ्रंट एंड बना दो. ओके दीपांशु भैया, एक कोडिंग रिलेटेड रील मिली है आपको, भेजूँ उस रील को थोड़ा डिकोड कर दो. हाँ भेज दो इंस्टाग्राम में. ओके I'm Python developer, so I know backend with Python, but I don't know front end. I use Lovable for it. Okay, nice. Pravesh, yes, Lovable is great for. Okay. No, you need to tell which features to add. You asked me, did you use vector database? Okay, which feature? Is your vector database able to understand the context of the chat? For example, if you are chatting with it, and if you, for example, if you ask something that is out of topic. For example, if you uploaded a PDF, right, and then you are chatting about that PDF. If you ask a question that is not related to the PDF, then maybe your chat should understand that this is not related to the PDF, and it should reply that this is not related to this topic. So I cannot answer it. Something, add this check. It is very interesting. So this is done. Create bank detail schema done. Okay, create bank detail schema. Bank detail schema done. Then we have the bank service. Upsert already have. Now adding full flow. Upsert, okay. Encrypted. We have to add this encrypted part. Utils. Actually, we need this encrypt and decrypt. So if I go to my utils, add this encrypted.ts, and this encryption, actually encryption, name should be encryption, encryption.ts. okay, So let's go to the encryption part. Okay, what else? Then deploy it. I think Pravesh. RAG is pretty much like this only. Okay. Pravesh, good night, bro. All the best for your SaaS product. Hope we'll see it soon. Thank you, Pravesh, and good night, brother. Dipanshu, okay. Lokesh, that's what I did. Made front end with Lovable. It's good, okay. Crypto algorithm. Okay, IV length. Okay, encryption key. Okay, encryption key is not defined in. Okay, key buffer from encryption key. Okay, key length, encryption key length. Encryption key, if encryption, okay, a key is a buffer or from, okay, key length not 32, throw new error, key, okay, encryption key value 32 bytes, 64x characters, cost encryption equals, give me a example of the encryption key for .env. Okay, something like this. 64 characters. Okay, only 64 characters. Okay. FNK Gamer, can you explain me where multi-threading used in web development? I'm confused about it. So, actually, multi-threading. First, understand what is thread. Thread is the smallest unit of a process, right? So, multi-threading is one process is running, but multiple. It's like having multiple. One process has multiple arms, right? So, multi-threading basically, if you want to perform a task, like if a request comes, like send me email, right? A user creates an account, then once the user creates an account, an email should be triggered where the user will receive an email. So if you don't use multi-threading, then what will happen? A request will come to the server, like create account, then account will be created. On after that, email will be sent, then all the requests will be blocked, right? So multi-threading is, for example, if a request come to the server, like create account, and there's then we can also create another thread that will send email in the background. That's something like an example of multi-threading. Raj, I'm already adding a streaming hybrid search. Okay, retrieve documents from highly rated lower. Also thinking to make registration login system with JWT. Oh, that's nice, nice. Make it a full product. अरे भैया वो रील एक बार लाइव में देखो, सच में विचारजनक रील है वो. अभी तो डेवलपमेंट में काम कर रहा हूँ, इसके बाद देखूंगा. ER Prashant Kumar. Hello Prashant, welcome to the stream. Bro, how much of the SaaS project part is remaining? Actually, we have built the MVP. MVP part is done. Now we are working on adding the bank detail, because now the payment has to go into the business's bank detail, right? Bank account. So we are adding the payout feature and the bank detail feature now. Okay, UJJ, tech is cooked. Good luck to you guys. I feel so good after taking decision in non-tech as a management constructor from being an SD. OMG, feeling so good now. Oh, that's nice, UJJ. Viraj, smallest unit of process. I didn't go with. What is process? Okay, see, process is like in your computer you have CPU, right? So CPU actually manages your processes. Process is actually a program in execution. For example, now I'm writing this code. When I run this code, it converts into a process, right? So process requires resources like CPU time and storage, everything. So process have different things like context, and all these things are required. Then we have threads here. Threads. Multi-threading is a process having multiple threads. These are threads, and threads are like arms. Like one process can perform multiple tasks. That's like threads, in my opinion. FNK Gamer. So, which type of project topic choose for practice multi-threading? For multi-threading, in which tech stack you going? Are you using Java? If Java is very good for multi-threading, actually, मैं. Okay. So, 256 to GCM. What is AES 256 GSM? Okay, A is a highly secure symmetric encryption standard using with counter mode. It provides both confidentiality and authenticity, ensuring data hasn't been tampered. It is widely considered the industry standard for high performance secure communication and data storage. Okay, nice. Okay, so we have this crypto algorithm IV length. Import crypto from we have const encryption algorithm is equal to AES 256 GCM and const we have const IV length is 12. Fine. Then we have const encryption encryption underscore key. Then we have process.env dot encryption underscore key, and okay, hold on, encryption underscore key and exclamation because it is required. Just a sec guys, I'll add my encryption key, then I'll show the code. Just a sec. .env encryption key, hold on. Just a minute. We have, this is my encryption key. Okay, encryption key. Okay, then just a sec guys, add this. Your encryption key, close it, encryption key, close it. And if I come here, just a sec, yup, we have this encryption key. If I come here, okay, now if I come here and encryption key is this, my encryption key, and if there is no encryption key, throw new error, or just a sec, throw new error, encryption key not found in just encryption key not found, encryption key. Okay, Frank, I'm in Java, so which project for multi-threading? Actually, if you want to get good project for multi-threading, you can go to hold on, multi-threading Java projects. You can go to this, you can research about it, because I have not built projects for multi-threading in Java, so you can go with these topics, or you can go through some articles. Okay, so we have this, just a sec, key buffer dot from hex. Okay, const key is equal to buffer dot from encryption key comma hex, encryption key, like this, hold on, this this in your node hex, and if key dot length is not equal to 32, throw new error, key is not 64-bit. Okay, encryption key, encryption key must be of 32 bytes. Raj, okay, got it. So multiple threads are like many workers which can process things parallel, reducing the time in process. Basically, threads is a subset of a process. Yes, yes. Vampire. Hello, Vampire. Welcome to the stream, brother. Are you in college or you finished? I completed my BTech. Aman Kumar. How are you, buddy? I'm good, Aman. How are you? How you practice the journey of learning when you learn Java and Spring Boot, so I can follow your path or roadmap. See, basically, when I was learning Java, first thing is I understood Java basics. Like there's this YouTube channel called EmbarkX. I followed EmbarkX YouTube channel. There's this Spring Boot playlist. I followed that. So yeah, that's just what I did. I just followed EmbarkX playlist. BBX एनिमे. भैया आप तो टीयर 2 कॉलेज में थे, पर आपको पैकेज क्यों नहीं मिला? एक्चुअली हमारे कॉलेज में कंपनी आई नहीं थी और उस टाइम मैं उतना कुछ प्लेसमेंट के लिए कुछ प्रिपेयर कर भी नहीं रहा था. तो लाइक मुझे ऑन कैंपस, तो हमारे ईयर में ज़्यादा कंपनी आई भी नहीं थी, तो ऑफ कैंपस ही निकालना पड़ा. ब्रदर, आर यू इन कॉलेज और आई हैव कंप्लीटेड माई बीटेक? Viraj, Abhishek bhai, I learned something, then after few days if I try that I completely get blank. That's okay, because when we are learning something new we cannot just mug up everything, so it takes time and it's all about practice. So yeah, we have this. Now we have export const encryption, cipher, decrypt. Okay, IV. So we have export const encrypt equals text of type string this encrypt const iv equals crypto dot random bytes iv length, crypto dot random bytes, then here we have iv length. Fine, iv, then we have cipher const cipher equals crypto dot create hmac, create cipher iv, create cipher iv with pass algorithm key, with pass encryption algorithm key and iv. Fine, we have the cipher. Aman Kumar, I clicked on heart reaction. Did you saw the animation? Click again. Aman, click once more. Viraj, Aman, yes, we saw it. Okay. Why you left Spring Boot and start different tech? Actually, when I was in a company in an MNC, I was working with Spring Boot, so I left the MNC now, and I'm a solo developer right now, so that's why Spring Boot is a bit heavy for solo dev. Aman Kumar, I wanna know भाई, जब GPT से देखकर आप लिख रहे हो and you wrote something wrong, so आप बाद में whole code को GPT को दे दोगे या फिर खुद ही चेक करोगे कहाँ पर क्या चीज़ गलत लिखी है? पहले तो मैं पूरा कोड जहाँ मुझे पता है कि कहाँ किस लिए एरर आ रहा है, I just pick one that section and then I send it to GPT, and अगर उससे नहीं होता फिर I have to debug it myself. Janil Joshi, and that's why I don't directly copy paste the code, because if I copy paste then it's very easy to get past the errors, but if I don't copy paste and I type it, then I know okay, this is what I'm doing here. Janil Joshi, how will I come to know if I am already ready for an interview or not? Because without any practice of any interview, how can I make sure if I am suitable or not, as I am in second year? So no interview, because no placement. See Janil, when you are actually ready for interview, you will have a confidence inside you that you know whatever you have mentioned in your resume, if they ask, you can answer it clearly. Whatever they ask, you will have that confidence inside you. Kushagra, what was your salary in MNC? My salary, I cannot tell you the direct salary, but it was around not much. It was like the tax slab, that I can say. Doraemon is cutie. Hello, Doraemon is cutie. Welcome to the stream. Bro, how's your day? My day was good, Doraemon is cutie. What's up? How's your day? Nice name, by the way. Doraemon is cutie. Cipher, then we have const encrypted buffer dot concat. Cipher update. Okay. Const encrypted equals buffer dot concat, and then we are passing cipher dot update text utf8. Hold on, what was the suggestion? utf8 cipher dot final. Okay, fine. Cipher dot final. We have this encrypted part. Then const tag equals cipher dot get auth tag. Fine. And we are returning. Simply, what are we returning here? Content to string, iv to string, tag to string. Okay, hex. Okay. Content have encrypted dot to string hex, encrypted dot to string hex. Okay, we'll see. Then we have iv will be to iv dot to string hex. Then we have tag will be tag dot to string hex. Fine, but here we are getting this issue. Expected 0 arguments but got 1. Okay, encrypted. Yep, fine. So this is the encryption part. Now we have to decryption part. Export const decrypt equals, we have data here. Okay, Kumar Neeraj. Hello Kumar Neeraj, welcome to the stream. Doraemon is cute. Okay, मेरा एक जगह इंटरव्यू हुआ. मेरा 5 LPA पैकेज है, 4 year एक्सपीरियंस है. मेरा एक MNC निकला, वो 6 LPA दे रहा है. कैसे नेगोशिएट करूं, प्लीज गाइड. 4 year एक्सपीरियंस है भाई, 4 साल एक्सपीरियंस है तो 6 LPA इज क्वाइट लेस मेरे हिसाब से. कुमार नीरज, कैसे हो भाई? कहाँ तक प्रोजेक्ट हुआ? MVP हो गया प्रोजेक्ट का. नाउ वी आर वर्किंग ऑन द एडिंग द बैंक डिटेल फॉर द बिजनेस and the payout section. Bro, are you live alone or with family? I live with my family. Viraj, Pipa 4 year experience, 4 LPA थोड़ा ज़्यादा कम नहीं है. Yeah, like थोड़ा कम है. Maybe it was his first job, that's why. Here we have data, and in data what are we getting? Okay, content iv tag. We have this content string, iv string, and then we have tag string. Fine. What are we doing here? Const decipher. Whether we create cipher, decipher, crypto create decipher iv algorithm key buffer dot from. Okay, 6 LPA दे रहे हैं, कैसे नेगोशिएट करूँ प्लीज़ बताओ. आपका टेक स्टैक क्या है पीपा पेग डोरेमोन? हाउ मच टाइम इट टुक फॉर यू टू लर्न इट ऑल? आई एम स्टिल लर्निंग. I have still not reached a point in my life where I can say I know everything. I'm still learning, but I started my coding journey when I was in class 11, and I got into web development in the year 2020. I'm in 10th. Okay, nice. कुमार नीरज, ब्रो मुझे प्रोजेक्ट बनाना से पहले फिग्मा डिज़ाइन करना है, कौन सा एआई बेस्ट रहेगा? V0 from Vercel. I heard that is nice. पीपा पैक सेल्स फोर्स ई कॉमर्स क्लाउड है टेक स्टैक. सी सेल्स फोर्स के बारे में तो मुझे उतना नॉलेज है नहीं, तो मैं तो ज़्यादा इसमें बोल नहीं पाऊँगा. विराज, पीपा उनको बोलो 10 LPA दे, फिर वो करेंगे ना तेरे 8.5 LPA फिर एक्सेप्ट कर दो. ओके. डिसाइफर कॉन्स्ट डिसाइफर इक्वल्स buffer crypto dot create decipher. We are passing the encryption algorithm here. We are passing the encryption algorithm key and buffer dot from data dot iv and hex. Fine, then decipher dot set auth tag. Okay, decipher dot set auth tag. Decipher dot set auth tag. Buffer dot from data dot tag, and this will be hex. Fine. Set auth tag is done, then const decrypted. You can just get it from here. So decrypted buffer dot concat does a update. Okay, so we have created the encryption part. Fine, we have created the encryption part. So now we need to work on the schema. Bank.service. Okay. Nightbot. फिजिक्स. हेलो फिजिक्स, वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम. भैया बीएससी सीएस करूं या बीसीए? अगर टेक इंडस्ट्री में जाना है तो, क्योंकि 12th में मैथ्स नहीं था तो बीटेक नहीं कर सकता. बीएससी सीएसए करूं या बीसीए करूं? मैं बोलूँगा गो फॉर बीसीए. नहीं, गो फॉर बीएससी सीएस. ओके, जस्ट अ सेक मैन. बीएससी सीएस और बीसीए, विच इज़ बेटर फॉर job? For immediate application based, BCA is better. From theoretical foundation, yeah, go for BCA because BSc में ज़्यादा theoretical knowledge होगा according to Google. So yeah. Potterhead 1 year कोलकाता. ओके, लाला कंपनी है. ओके, फिजिक्स. भैया BCA, go for BCA. Doraemon is QT. Where should I start from? Pick one programming language first. पेपर पिग, बिग MNC है भाई. अच्छा, ओके. Start. Pick one programming language first. Doraemon is QT. Ayan Khan, Pippa expertise and then leave it. Find some startup. Yeah, true. Ayan Khan. Yeah, actually, Pippa, there are well-funded startups. Go for remote jobs, in my opinion. Okay. यहाँ बीटेक वाला की लगी पड़ी है. ओके, BCA is good and then do MCA 2 later. Okay. Okay, how much time you spend on learning Java and Spring Boot, and how much Spring Boot company required from fresher? See, the thing is, for fresher, MNC uses Spring Boot a lot. There's no doubt in that. But for fresher also, they mentioned 2 years of experience. So how will a fresher get that experience? Okay. So absurd bank detail. RazorPayX, where are we getting this from? Lib razorpayx.js. Okay, we have this lib here, backend SR. अरे schema की आँख. What's this? Backend src lib. Okay, we have these. Bank schema is done. We have backend src modules bank. Then we'll create bank.service.ts. एक एक करके काम करते हैं. Go one by one. Export const upsert bank detail. We have data here, and data will be of type user ID and data. Are we using any? We don't need to use any here. We have to use the form. We have to use that schema part. Okay, hold on. Modules auth service. Now this booking controller. Create booking schema. Exactly. We need this part. Create booking schema part. Const data schema.parse. Fine. So here we have data, and this is my schema. We have this thing, bank detail schema. Import this. No suggestion. Yes. Why is okay? Hold on. Booking. Yeah, this one. Create booking data. Hold on. Booking schema. Yeah, booking controller. Create booking schema. Okay. Create booking schema. Booking service. Data. Yeah, exactly. This part we need. Booking service. Booking bank schema. This will be bank detail schema. This will be create bank detail data. Create bank detail data. Fine. Close this banking service, and this will be used here. Add this here. Data. Fine. We have this data, and then we'll have the user ID as well. User ID of type string. This is done. Abhishek bhai, when we are fresher, do companies give training for all things we need to learn on our own? As fresher, yes, company, there will be a company training part, and so they will train you. Bhai, your thoughts on open source contribution? It's good. Open source contribution is really good. Viraj, I don't know why this Tala companies expect tasks to be done. Okay. RS Corona. Hey, I have completed some part of my website backing today. I wanted to ask you what you are using for database. I was suggested Supabase. I'm building my own backend, and for database, I'm going with PostgreSQL. We are doing this. Create booking detail data. Okay, so const data, const parsed data equals this data here. And where is my booking controller? Okay, data. This is not required here. Fine. Upside bank detail. Const encrypted. Const encrypted equals encrypt. And for encrypt, we are passing. What are we passing? Text. Okay, we are passing here data dot account number. We have encrypted. Fine. Then simply return Prisma dot return Prisma dot schema dot Prisma. We have to create this also. Meets. Do you work full time? Actually, I'm working on my SaaS full time now. Go with computer science, Doraemon QT. Maybe more 1 or 2 weeks. Like MVP version is done. Now we are working on the production part. Like basic the deployment. Like we are adding the bank detail and the payout section. So, hold on. So we have this Prisma. Mhm. Actually, there are a lot of just a sec, guys. So what is the main issue here is we have to create model, but the model will not be like okay. Hold on. Okay, got it. Just a sec. So if we come here, if I go here I need to add this. Just a sec. Actually, here I need a bank. I need a bank table here. Hold on. I need a bank table here. Bank table. Then we'll need ID. Just a sec. Where is it? Where did it go? Bank detail and user. Bank detail. Bank detail में we'll have the ID. We'll have ID. Then we'll have अरे यार ये क्या है भाई? Then user ID. Then account holder name. We have user ID. Then we have account holder name, account number encrypted, account number tag, FS code, account number encryption, IV and tag. Okay. account number ENC, account number IV, IV, okay, account number IV, account number tag, account number tag, okay, account number tag, then here we have IFSC code, IFSC code, bank name, bank branch, bank name and bank branch, fund account ID, contact ID is verified, and user, okay, fund account ID, yeah, because one user will have funds also, okay, got it, fund account ID, and then we'll have contact ID, just a sec, we have contact ID, and then we'll have is verified as well, is verified, we have this feature, just a sec, yeah, this thing, yeah, so we have balance detail, okay, let's implement this one now, so just a sec, this is actually a complicated part because we have to work with the bank detail now. Then we have the user here and user role. Let's add model bank detail. My model bank detail कहाँ गया? Model bank detail, and here we'll go here. We have ID. You will have, obviously we'll have ID as string, ID as string. Then we'll have @ID, and @default will be UUID. Arghav, hello Arghav, hello Arghya Abedya, welcome to the stream. Hi bro, I'm new here, currently preparing myself to be a backend developer. Are you and yourself, bro? I'm a full stack developer. I'm trying to build my own SaaS, RS Chrono YT, and in meantime, I will try to contribute as much as open source projects. Okay, nice. Okay, so okay, fine. We have ID, then we have user ID, and this is related to the user table. अरे यार सीधा user इधर लिखो ना, string must be unique, string unique, then account holder name string, account holder name is string, fine. Then we have account number encrypt, account number ENC string, we have account number IV string, account number tag string, fine. Then we have IFSC code string, then we have bank name of type string, then we have bank branch of type string, bank branch as well. Then we have fund account ID, then we have string, then we have contact ID, string from the account ID, this optional contact ID string, then we have is verified is boolean. Fine, then we'll have user and hold on, where is it, yep, here only. Fine, we have this user, and here we'll have the relationship as relation fields user ID, and this will references to ID. What is the issue? I'm missing off. Hold on. User at the relation. Error validating field user in model bank detail. The relation field user on missing opposition relation field on the relation fields user ID references ID. Fine, okay, is verified. Okay, hold on, wait. It will be created at have date time, and by default we have now created at updated at we have date time, and here we have and the rate updated at, but user hold on model user, okay, at the rate relation, okay, this owner user relation fields owner ID, user ID, and references to ID. Owner ID, okay, just a sec. I have user bank, just a sec. Bro, I'm back. Hello Aman Kumar, welcome back to the stream. Deepak Kanpal, hello Deepak, welcome back to the stream. Bro, please tell why Kubernetes used, and if we are Docker for container or if it's an alternate. See, Kubernetes is used to manage different Docker containers. Doraemon, all the best, Sensei. Thanks. Okay. Abhishek Bhaiya, which channel should I use to learn coding, or which? Either go with Chai or Code YouTube channel, or you can start with Code with Harry as well. What is the fucking issue here? This model, bank detail, model user ID string. Model bank detail, just a sec. Where did I mess up? ID default. Fields. This user ID. Okay, maybe use this. At the rate unique and opposite relation field on the model. Okay, in user also we have to add that. Got it. And in user I need to add this bank detail. Here add this bank detail. Bank detail. Hmm. Okay, आज चैट रेट मस्त है ब्रो. ओह मैं एक्चुअली ज़्यादा चैट आज पढ़ ही नहीं पा रहा हूँ. Deepak and any place from where I can learn DevOps and cloud, please. Any specific? DevOps, I don't know, man. DevOps, I learned from like ChatGPT. DevOps, you can learn from Embarkx YouTube channel. But yeah, bye everyone. I'm going. Bye Dipanshu, and thanks for joining the stream. This is my code. Just a sec. This is my code. I am getting this error. So, where is it? Bank detail question mark. Yeah, that's what we were doing wrong. Bank detail, bank detail question mark. So this we have done. Bank detail is done. Where was it? Here, this wallet and payout part. We have this organization bank detail. Let's create this. Hold on. We can see these things should be at the end. Remove it from here and just keep it in the end so that we know that we created it later. So this is my bank detail. In this we have model wallet. Model wallet ID will be of type string. We'll have here ID default UUID. Then we have user ID of type string, because one wallet will belong to one user, right? Hold on. So just a sec. Here we need a wallet part. Here we need a wallet as well. This is the wallet table. Then we will have the user ID. Have the user ID. Have the user ID amount. We have the amount part here. User ID amount. Well, bro, if junior developer is dead, then what should we do? Bro, nothing is dead. It's all about your skill, and it's about leveraging AI to build something. Like it's like as I said, गाड़ी का ड्राइवर AI है, लेकिन आपको फिर भी गाड़ी चलाना आना चाहिए. Status. Amount. Status. Payout ID. Created at. So these are the fields. Just a sec. This is my this. Now if I come here, what's the color of the user white? So this is it. This bank user ID is related to the user. And that's it. So we have this and wallet. So this user ID is related to the user. And this now if we come to wallet, user ID, wallet, we have user ID, then we have balance here, balance. Then we have balance of, and here it will be at the rate default, it will be 0. Then here we have user, here we have here we have at the rate relation fields user ID, and it references to ID. This, and then we have model payout. We have model POUYT payout. Okay. Say again. Bro, full stack is dead. Okay. Verify videos. Welcome to the stream. Bro, React JS का error आ रहा है. क्यों पता नहीं क्या error आ रहा है. दीपक, okay, thanks bro. Best answer I got after Piyush Garg. Okay. साहिब, सही कहा bro. Nothing is dead. Piyush Garg real ID. Okay, Lokesh, I'm dead bus. Okay, Mula67. Hello brother, how are you? It's been a long time. I just joined your live today because I had pre-board exams. Okay, welcome back to the stream, Mila. Well, how are you? How to continue do work like without distraction, like I study in morning till 12 p.m. but I distracted and then forgot all the way. See, distraction happens because like you're not creating urgency, in my opinion. Okay. So in payout we have ID of type string. Here we have ID string. Then here we have at the rate default UUID ID user ID user string only, user ID string, hold on, user ID string, then amount int status string, then we have provider payout ID, provider payout ID string optional, and created at of time date time, and here we have at the rate default. Now we have this here. This is my code. I am getting this error. Same time again, fix wallet, okay, wallet, okay, user, you have to add the wallet part. Here we need to add the wallet, and this will be wallet optional. This we have here. What is the fucking issue here? All to false. Okay. Account number, but so we have this here. Wallet is done, and then we need to create the payout part. This is the payout table, payout. And this payout, here we have user ID, amount, ID, user ID, amount status, amount status, provider payout ID, created at. Then we have here created at. Fine, we have this, and this ID, user ID, is related to this. Just a sec. So this is done. Hold on. Where is it? बारिश हो रहा है क्या? नहीं लोकेश, बारिश तो नहीं हो रहा है. Why? Actually, Nightbot is a moderator. He's giving you warning. Like why? Try to, don't try to spam. Maybe that's why. Okay. I'm also fine, brother. Keep grinding your code. Thank you, Mula. Simula. Thanks, man. वेरेटाई वीडियोस ब्रो मैंने न्यू ही सीख रहा हूँ एक रिएक्ट का सब कुछ सेटअप कर दिया है एक वेब बना रहा है एआई से उसको जब कॉपी कर रहा हूँ तो तब एरर आ रहा है क्या लाइक एरर में बता क्या रहा है विराज अभिषेक भाई डज रिक्रूटर्स लुक एट आर लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल ऑल्सो एनी टिप्स सी मैं लिंक्डइन विराज आई डोंट यूज़ लिंक्डइन सो आई डोंट नो बारिश हो रहा है क्या नहीं बारिश तो नहीं हो रहा है World Frames. Hello, World Frames. Welcome to the stream. Lokesh sent your channel link, so came here to say hi. Okay. Hello, World Framers. Hello, World Frames. Welcome back to the stream, brother. How are you? Welcome to the stream. And Lokesh sent you my channel. Okay, thank you, Lokesh. Thanks for sharing my channel, bro. Lokesh. Hi, Naveen bhai. Okay, Naveen. Nice. Thank you, Lokesh. Thanks for sharing the channel, guy. Thanks a lot. वेरीफाई ब्रो इंस्टा है क्या भेज दूँ हाँ इंस्टाग्राम की लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में ही है सो हो गया बट वी हैव टू माइग्रेट नाउ जस्ट अ सेक आई कम हियर क्लोज दिस npm run db generate npm run db generate npm run db migrate भाई वो देखा आपने ओरेकल 30 एम्प्लॉयज हाँ देखा मैंने then npm run db okay fine here लोकेश हाँ एक्स में शेयर किया था ही इज माई फर्स्ट एक्स फ्रेंड ओके नाइस एक्स साउंड्स वियर्ड सो लेट्स कॉल ट्विटर ओनली आई नो integrations payment billing system so this thing here use this man service right now just empty then bank schema is done bank schema is done this if I go backend SRC module bank schema service create here bank dot controller dot ts then also create bank.route.ts okay so if just a sec I'll make this now if I come here Postgres now if I come here server here if I see I have wallet user ID balance fine payout then in payout we have ID user ID amount status okay fine payment here. Now if I go to user table let's see what we get now the user table this is the user table and here okay so backend Prisma schema or Prisma and in user what are we doing in user what changes we did in user part this we just mentioned okay here also this okay got it so world in frames you look like some cricket player okay what? No, he's Zug now, bro. Let's go. Hello, Suban Singh. Welcome to the stream. World in Frames. Actually, he's a F1 racer, and I got to know this from Lokesh. Word and frame. So what SaaS you are making, bro? I'm building a B2B appointment booking SaaS. Basically, a user can create organization, create services, create availability time slots. Then they can see the bookings, their integration. They can integrate the Google Calendar. Then payments, like we are working on the payments part right now, and billing. Then a user can also improve, like go for a subscription based model. And this is my like the customer side of the application, where a customer can use this link to book a service from an organization. Then they can manage this and all of this. Then if they fill the data, then they have to pay. And then we are working on the payout section. That's what I'm trying to build. So if I come here, payout, wallet, detail, schema, create wallet, uh, Prisma models, and bank, Zod bank, schema, Zod validation created. Fine. And created the encryption file for just create the encryption file, encryption and decryption methods also. Fine. This commit, we're committing this and push this code. We're pushing this code, and right now we have this chat. Save this chat, share, copy this chat, Notion, अपॉइंटमेंट की SaaS. Okay. Viraj, Abhishek bhai, एक automated message bot डाल दो which gets triggered when someone asks about your SaaS. Okay, I'll figure that out how to do it. Walden Frames, nice, keep going, bro. Thanks, Walden Frames. Walden Frames. Okay, Amit, can you suggest some YouTube channel where I can study system design architecture? Actually, I also need to study system design, and I am planning to learn it from this YouTube channel. Just a sec, I'll show. If you go to YouTube, and I created a playlist, just a sec. If you go to, just a sec, I'll show. Yeah, so Gaurav Sen. This system design playlist I'll follow to learn. So yeah, we have this here. So code has been pushed. Okay, I was working on Notion. Just a sec. अरे यार, bank detail and payout and implementing payout feature, chat link. This is my, where is it, chat link. This is copy this chat, copying link, Notion, paste this link, save it. Here the global feature settings, payment advance, accept payment for booking, pricing plans. Yeah, this is also we have implemented. We can make it green. Okay, now settings, organize names, club, time zone, user profile, password. Okay, priority order, follow this. Okay, this is done. And if I go to my GitHub, just a sec, where is it? Go to GitHub. Attorney kitna hua? Attorney, today we have till now we created the entire basic design, like how we'll implement this payout feature, and we have also created the backend Prisma schema.prisma. We have created the where is it? We have created this wallet table, this payout table, and this bank detail. So basically, what is now happening is that each user. So just a sec. What is happening right now? That each hold on. So each user will have one wallet. One wallet. Basically, each transaction, all of this wallet will be created. All the amount will be stored in the wallet. Then through this wallet, uh, this wallet send the payment to the user's bank account. Send the payment amount from the user's wallet to the user's bank account. Fine. And also, just a sec, also here one user will have a bank detail, and will be this bank detail will perform this task, right? And this entire thing will be tracked in a payout table. So each user will have a payout table, and all the transactions will be mentioned in the payout. So that's the basic flow. All the like when customer books a meeting and pays the amount, that amount will be stored in the wallet. Booking amount from the customer is stored in the user's wallet. So this is the flow that we are implementing. Right now we have created these tables, like bank detail, wallet, and payout table. Now next is to implement the bank detail feature. So yeah, Amit, thanks a lot. Welcome, Amit. Maxado. My Lokesh deserve moderator. Yeah, actually, Lokesh, once he comes back, like he told me that he's in a wedding. Once he comes back, then I'll ask him if he wants to like become the moderator. Okay, damn nice. Thanks, attorney. Thanks a lot. So this is what we have done till now. If I go to my GitHub repositories and booking SaaS, then we have here backend, SRC, modules, uh, backend, Prisma, schema.prisma. Then here we have mentioned payout, wallet, bank detail, and for this particular user bank detail, wallet. Okay. Yeah. Okay, fine. Understood. And we have also created the encryption and decryption methods that we'll be using for decrypting and encrypting the account number, because it is a bad practice to store account number just as a number in our database. We have to encrypt it. So, Lokesh, I will be mod. I will update once I come. Sure, Lokesh. दिया हूँ. क्या दिया हूँ? So let's see if anything interesting going on in my Discord. By the way, Discord server link is in the description of the stream. Lokesh. Roadmap. Oh, system design roadmap. Let's see. Okay, that's very useful. Thanks, Lokesh. Thanks for this system design roadmap. Hold on, copy this. And Notion system design कहाँ गया? Create a new chat. learning system design roadmap link at this here. Fine. So when we start learning system design, we'll use this. Okay. Perfect. भाई आप earning कैसे करते हैं? Freelancing projects and one-on-one calls. Let's say. Okay. I know Ria. Who is Ria? Check X2. Okay. So just a sec. Thanks for this roadmap, bro. Okay. I have this, and if I go to X, what is there in X? Okay, notifications. Follow my friend is live right now. Oh, thanks a lot, man, Logesh. Thanks a lot, brother. We have this. Sarvam. Introducing Build with Sarvam, a series where we highlight the best of what developers have built with Sarvam APIs. Oh, interesting. Here are some of the projects. OpenCut AI, an open source video editor that supports transcription. Okay, built by Humble Fool. Caddy Fit. Okay, nice. Let's see, show more. So a call center intelligence tool that transfers structure. Vinayak. Okay, AI development server. Okay, a server AI. Okay, nice. Any chat? Okay, nothing here. Fine, we have this. I'm done with my live stream. Yeah. Okay, nice. Entity. Your favorite programming language? I like JavaScript. Lokesh, there is one playlist too. It will be help, I guess. I'll send in. I guess help. Instagram will send link to. Okay, thanks, Lokesh. Yeah, send it. This guy came from X. He's too lazy guy, भाई. अच्छा, ओके, नाइस. विराज अभिषेक भाई, मॉडरेटर रोल में स्ट्राइपेंड मिलता है? अभी तक तो नहीं, क्योंकि अभी तो नहीं. थोड़े दिन में अगर ज़्यादा रेवेन्यू स्टार्ट होने लग जाए, देन लाइक आई पे दी मॉडरेटर. लाइक आई पिक वन फिक्स मॉडरेटर. आई पे हिम लाइक पर लाइव स्ट्रीम बेसिस. मैं भेजता हूँ रेज्यूमे मॉडरेटर रोल के लिए. Okay, entity. Bro, I got only 20 views though, yet I did your promotion, lol. Oh, thank you, entity. And don't care about the views, just do what you're doing and like what you're doing. Views का क्या, like मैंने भी जब लाइव स्ट्रीम स्टार्ट किया था, I did not start it for views. I was just doing it so that I can be consistent with my, projects and building my SaaS. So yeah, that's the thing. Okay, so this is done, and fine. So target for tomorrow. What is the target for tomorrow? Notion. Just a sec. I'll create the. Where is it? Appointment booking SaaS. Hold it. Just a sec. Here. Goal for next stream. Number 1. Implement the bank detail module. Number 2, create the payout feature. Goal for next stream. Okay, next streams. Okay, this is the main goal. Okay, just a sec. What else? This is done. Hold on. Okay. Attorney, मैं तो SaaS में हायर होने का वेट कर रहा हूँ. ओके attorney, अगर SaaS ग्रो होकर रेवेन्यू जनरेट करता है, and I want to grow this SaaS even more, then obviously like I'll be hiring people. लोकेश, chat rate how much? Chat rate कितना चल रहा है भाई? Let's see. If I go how to see chat rate. Chat rate 4. ज़्यादा नहीं, 4 ही है. Okay. Entity, give your YT channel name here. INST Insta. Okay, let's check my Insta. If I go to my Insta, INST Instagram and Insta. Hold on. That is it. Notifications. Click on fine. This. Let's see. कहाँ पे है भाई? Messages. Messages part. Requests. Okay, please check, bro. The only one. Just a sec. What is this reel? एक सेकेंड, मेरी आवाज़ आ रही है क्या? ओके ये क्या है भाई? गॉट इट, समझ गया. हाँ हाँ, प्लीज चेक ब्रो. हाय. ओके, जनरल. हेलो. वेल्स वेल्स. अभी अटर्नी, अभी तो बहुत रात हो गई है, अदरवाइज 11 PM वॉज पीक चैट रीड. ओके, आई सी माई पेज. लॉल लोकेश. हे वो रील सेंड करो ना मेरे को. मैसेज है, मैं मैसेज. ओके, आई सेंड इट लोकेश. वी हैव दिस, वी हैव दिस. ओके, ऑलराइट एवरीवन, आई रैप अप नाउ. Our next target is to implement the bank detail feature and the payout feature. So that what I'll be doing the next streams. How much do you code in a day? Don. Welcome to the stream, MacDon. And like during my daytime, so currently I'm learning deep learning using PyTorch. So like 2 hours for learning and baki in stream. Alright, I'll wrap up now. In the next stream, the target is to complete the what is that called? Complete the bank detail feature and the payout feature. Today we created the design and also the table modules and Prisma modules, I mean. So we implemented that and I'll check it. Okay, good night. Good night, everyone. All right, I'll wrap up now. Thanks for joining the stream. Good night, Attorney. Good night, Lokesh. And good night, Verit videos. Thanks for joining the stream. I'll see you in the next stream. Until then, take care of yourself. Keep learning and become the best version of yourself. Until then, just chill, relax, have a good time. Good night. And if you enjoyed the stream, do consider subscribing to the channel.